Remember Salesforce Live Agent. Reliable, yes, but built for a different era of customer service. Now, meet the next generation. Salesforce Enhanced Chat, faster, smarter, and built for today's omni-channel world. While Live Agent powered real-time support for years, Enhanced Chat takes it to the next level. It's not just an update, it's a complete evolution inside the Service Console. Here's what makes Enhanced Chat truly powerful. Integrated directly into the Service Console. Unified agent experience with better performance. Richer customization and automation options. Enhanced reporting and real-time metrics. And most importantly, it works seamlessly with omni-channel routing. Thinking of switching from Live Agent? Salesforce makes migration seamless. You can easily reuse your skills, queues, and pre-chat forms, and the setup wizard helps you configure Enhanced Chat in minutes. Agents get a single, streamlined workspace, fewer clicks, faster responses, and a full view of the customer. The result? Happier customers and more productive teams. Live Agent served us well, but the future is Enhanced Chat. Upgrade today and give your agents the experience they deserve.